What's up, YouTube? I wanted to get on here real quick just to say I am closing in on my 1,000 subscriber on YouTube. With that being said, once we hit that milestone, I do have a giveaway. I don't want to show it yet because I want those who actually want to subscribe to actually, subscribe. But I do got a giveaway for that 1,000 subscriber. I just updated all my stuff, so now I'm getting those notifications when I do get that subscriber. But it's not just me giving it away to that 1,000 subscriber. I will go through there. Probably let my son do like a random scroll through the subscribers and pick one. And then, yeah, I'll be reaching out to you and then sending you that 1,000 subscriber gift, I guess you can say. But yeah, I don't want to just give it to that 1,000 subscriber because then I think people are going to just be watching. So I'm going to just do a random drawing at 1,000 and then select you from there. So stay tuned.